Hi everyone. So one of the most common questions that we get asked is, what does a business coach actually do? Let me help debunk that myth for you. So every great sportsman and woman has a coach. This is the person that helps them to define their goals, achieve those goals, and keeps them accountable and motivated along their journey. The athlete and the coach will meet at least weekly, often much more, and this is where they'll go through what's gone well, what needs working on next. The coach becomes an objective pair of eyes, critiquing the performance and techniques of the athlete and guiding them towards achieving their goals. They'll work together on the athlete's strengths, utilising these to enhance their performance, and then analyse the weaknesses. What training or steps does the athlete need to take in order to better their performance? Well, this is much the same for a business coach, just in a business sense. They support business owners in defining their goals, both personal and for their business. They help them to achieve these goals by showing them the tactics and techniques they need. They keep them accountable. This is checking in at regular weekly or bi-weekly one-to-one sessions, or even group coaching. And finally, they help to keep the motivation up. We only do things as people consistently and well if we enjoy what we're doing. So as part of a coach's role is to support you in bringing fun and enjoyment back into what you do. Business, much like sport, is hard going at times. We need someone to support us through the tough times as well as celebrate the wins. As business coaches, we can support you with areas such as sales, which is the backbone of a profitable business. Marketing. If you want sales, then you'll need marketing to get those prospects to lead to sales. Team building. You'll never wish for the right team again. You'll learn skills to motivate and progress yours. Systems. Stop your business from running you and start running your business. Learn the secrets to making sure it doesn't fall to pieces when you're not there. And finally, customer service. This is how to consistently surprise and delight your customers, encouraging referrals and continual repeat business. Ultimately, a business coach will become one of your most valuable business assets. They'll become a partner, a confidant, a mentor, and a friend.